don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hey y'all, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. Thank you for joining another week with me. It was a great week. So on Wednesday, I watched Married at First Sight with my mama. I watched it with my mama. You can't really see her because the lamp was in the way. Are y'all watching that show? Please let me know. And I haven't steamed in, I feel like, almost a year. So I steamed my face and did some extractions. Woo! On Thursday was my filming day. I filmed literally the day before. It was the whole Would Your Friends Cover For You video, and it was hilarious, so go check that out. On Friday, I actually had plans to see an old friend, but she canceled on me because she was feeling sick. So I actually saw another friend, and we went to go buy stuff for a project I'm trying to do, and I was just jamming. I know I'm not the only one, but driving to blasted music alone is so therapeutic. On Saturday, I finished summer school, y'all. Oh my gosh, it is about damn time. I have been in these classes all summer. I've been taking 2 and they've been a mess. On Sunday, it was so sweet. My brother literally didn't have work and just came to the house and was like, yo, get ready. I'm taking you somewhere, get ready. And he took me on a cute little date and it was so cute. And he even bought me a popsicle. Like, wow, he a real one. But it was so sweet to hang out with him. On Monday, I started my project, and I'm not gonna go in depth because I filmed the whole thing. But here's a little snake peek. But it's a secret. Can you guess what it is? Comment down below. Lastly, on Tuesday, my nails, I have been biting them, and I've been trying to grow my nails. I always grow them out, and then they always break on me. So I gave myself my own little manicure. And I'm strengthening my nails and making sure they grow long. I want my nails to be long like acrylics, y'all. I want to give my own nail coffin shape and stuff like that. So we're on a taking care of our nails kick, because when my nails are taken care of, I don't pick at them as much, as you guys know, with my anxiety. But anyway, thank you guys so much for enduring this week with me again. I am loving making these videos for you guys. I think they're so fun, and it's just a cute little snippet of my week. If you haven't yet, go down there. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Remember to be humble, and always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye, guys. Bye.
I'm still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.